Before you walk into any jewelry store, before you spend a single penny on a diamond ring, you need to watch this video because what I about to tell you could save you thousands of dollars. These are the 10 things jewelers will never tell you. And number 7 shocked even me. Every single year, millions of people overpay for diamond engagement ring, not because they are careless, but because nobody told them the truth. Jewelers make more money when you stay confused. So today, I am changing that. I am a certified gemologist and I am going to give you the insider knowledge that the jewelry industry does not want to have you. Number one, carat weight means nothing without cut quality. Every salesperson will push you towards bigger carats, but here is what they will never tell you. A 1 carat diamond with bad cut looks smaller and duller than 0.8 carat diamond with an excellent cut. Carrot is just wet. Cut is everything. Always, always, always ask for the cut grade first. Number two, the certificate is more important than the ring itself. If a seller cannot hand you a GIA or IGI certificate, walk away immediately. No certificate means no proof. No proof means you could be buying a completely different stone from what they are telling you. I have personally seen sellers. 3. Online photos are completely misleading. Jewelry photographers use macro lenses, ring sticks, and studio lighting that makes every diamond look 3 times bigger than it really is. The ring arrives and it's look nothing like the photo. Here is what you do instead. Always ask the seller for the video in natural daylight. No studio, no ring stick, just a hand near a window. That is the real ring you are buying. Number 4. Band width is the most overlooked detail in ring buying. Most people never ask about it, and most sellers never mention it. A band under 1.6 mm will bend, wrap, and lose itself within months of daily wear. The safe range is 1.8 to 2.2 millimeters, strong enough to last decade, slim enough to look elegant. Before you buy any ring, ask this one simple question. What is the bandwidth in mm? If they cannot answer, they tell you everything. Number 5. Lab grown diamonds are identical to natural diamonds, chemically, physically, optically, completely identical. Even a trained gemologist cannot tell them apart without special equipment. But the price difference, a lab grown 1 carat diamond costs up to 80% less than a natural equivalent. If you want to maximum size and sparkle for your budget, lab grown is the smartest choice you can make right now. Just make sure it comes with IGI certificate. Number 6. The wrong prong style is costing you sparkle. Think chunky prong block light from entire the diamond, your stone looks duller as a result. The best option, especially for UK and USA buyers, is thin pointed 4 or 6 claw prongs. They hold the stone securely, they let maximum light in, and they give you that clean, modern look that photographics beautifully. Always ask your jewelers, can you do these claw prongs? A good designer will know exactly what you mean. Number 7, and this one surprise everyone. The hidden halo makes a massive difference and almost nobody knows to ask for it. A standard halo sits around the center stone. You can see it from the top. A hidden halo sits underneath the center stone from the top. It's look like a clean solid red, but from the side you get this incredible extra sparkle that catches light from every angle. It adds maybe 10 to 15% to the cost, but the visual impacts is enormous. Ask for the hidden halo. Almost no buyers know to request this. Now you do. Color grade G or H, the sweet spot. Most buyers think they need a D or E color diamond completely colorless, but the difference between D and G color is completely invisible to the naked eye, especially when the stone is set in a ring and the price difference massive. You can save 20 to 30% just by choosing G or H color. In white gold or platinum, choose G or H. In yellow or rose gold, you can go as low as J color. The gold tone hide any warmth in the stone perfectly. Number 9. Always buy from someone who saw their face. Anonymous Etsy shop, Instagram page with no name or location, website with no contact number. These are warning signs. Whether online or in store, will always be transparent. They will show their face, they will answer your question directly, they will provide certificate without being asked. Trust the person first, then trust the ring. So there you have it. 10 things jewelers will never tell you. If this video saved you money, subscribe to Beyond Obvious Diamond. Because next week I am exposing the 5 most overhyped jewelry brands and what to buy instead. Drop your question in the comments. I ready every single one. See you in the next